Morning everyone. Today we are about to start the new topic maps and directions. Okay. When we visit a new place, we either ask people for directions or check a route map to guide us. Whenever we visit a new place to which we are not aware of, we generally use to ask the directions, the way to the destination, to the native peoples living in there, right? Or what we prefer is to guide us through making use of map. Today we are technologically so advanced, so we make use of Google Maps, or we make use of technology to reach from one place to another, the place which we are not aware of. Okay, here is a map. Okay, drawing of an area on a flat surface such as paper. What is actually a map? मैप क्या होता है? एक प्लेन पीस ऑफ पेपर पे डायरेक्शंस होते हैं, सिंबल्स होते हैं, उनका यूज़ करके आप एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस जाने का रास्ता शो करते हो. वी शो द लोकेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट प्लेसेस यूजिंग सिंबल्स, डायरेक्शंस एंड स्केल्स. हेयर वी आर डिस्कसिंग द direction from Anu's house to Astha's house. Now if Anu wants to go Astha's house, what she will do? She will follow this path. Okay, she will follow this path to reach her destination from her house. In between her way, she will find a school, okay, a church and a park. This is all map actually is about. Okay. Now next one is map are such smaller representations of the actual size of the area on the ground. Actually आप एक्चुअल साइज़ को रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकते, एक्चुअली डिस्टेंस को रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकते फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. सो वी मेक यूज़ ऑफ लिटिल डिस्टेंसेस इफ़ वी वांट टू रिप्रेजेंट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू प्लेसेस इन अ map. Different signs and symbols you make use of in a map to show the different landforms. Different landforms include the temples, the places, churches, river, road, bridges. All these things you represent by making use of different kind of symbols in a map. Okay, here you can see the directions play a major role in helping us read a map. The main direction shown on a map are north, south, east, west. Basically we only have a 4 directions. Okay, north, south, east, west. Okay, and I have given you a task to make a map from your house to the class, and you are directed to mention different landforms. If there is any river, the bridge, the place, school, church, hospital, you will represent that in your map by making use of different symbols and colors. Now weather, we experience different seasons like summer, winter, monsoon, autumn, spring during a year. एक season जो है it lasts for 2 month 3 month, that means a long duration. ठीक है, बट द ईच डे जो होता है ना एक सीज़न का, उसका एक पर्टिकुलर वेदर होता है. सीज़न इज़ लास्ट फॉर कपल ऑफ मंथ, बट weather is for a day. You experiences different types of weather in a particular day. Weather can change from day to day, hour to hour. It can be hot, it can be cold, rainy, cloudy, sunny, windy, dry, wet. Okay, it can be of any type representing in your books. Like a season, our lifestyle is also depend on weather. Our lifestyle also depends on weather. If there is a cold season, you would prefer to wear a sweater. If there is a winter, if there is a rainy season, we will all wear raincoat, make use of umbrellas. So this is how our lifestyle depends on weather. ठीक है, now observe the picture. It is representing different, it is representing different weather. Okay, different weather which one could experience in a month, in a season. ठीक है, now Have you seen similar pictures in a newspaper or a news channel? You must have. Now I will explain what this all represents. For instance, if you have this type of symbol, it represent rainy weather, it represent cloudy weather, इसका मतलब है hot weather, and this represents basically lightning and thundering. ओके, नाउ वेदर को जब आपको रिप्रेजेंट या प्रेडिक्ट करना होता है तो यू मेक ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टूल्स. दोज टूल्स इंक्लूड्स वेदर वैन and rain gauge. Weather van generally give us the direction of wind, and a rain gauge is generally used to know about the amount of rainfall in a given place. Rain gauge generally आपको बताता है अमाउंट ऑफ रेनफॉल एक जनरल प्लेस पे. ओके, एंड दिस इज हाउ वाटर वेन लुक्स लाइक, एंड इट रिप्रेजेंट्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ अ wind. I hope that till this topic I am very much clear to you all. If you don't understood the topic, let me know in our live sessions. Till then, bye and take care.